Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your lock screen on iOS 18. For this we hold our finger on our screen, and right now, if you can see, we can change our lock screen background if you want to. Alright, let's create a new background or lock screen with each other. So click on the plus icon and now you have a lot of options just right here. I want to create a clean one, so this blue with the date right there, the location, the weather and the time. I want to add this, so then I tap on add in the top, and then we can set this as wallpaper pair or just customize the home screen what we want. I want to customize the home screen, so we can give it a more color, we can give it a better gradient, but for now it's fine. So then we do done. And right now, if you can see, we have this as our lock screen. So we change our lock screen by simple holding our finger on our screen. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.